Hi, I'm Scott with Condi Systems, and I'm here today to talk to you about imaging to mugs using die wraps. And these are our screw-on die wraps, and I want to show you exactly how you should screw this onto your mug so that you can maintain your investment and get the job done right. The first thing I have is my mug with my image already taped on. I take the wrap and I run it around the mug, and I position the head of the screw over the clamp. There's a metal clamp bar here, and all I'm doing is finger tightening. So you'll see me doing this, finger tightening until it is clamped into place. And yes, we're going to finger tighten every single time, unless we have a special tool, which is a mechanical screwdriver with a clutch, which I'm going to demonstrate in a moment. After we finger tighten, we then turn 2 full revolutions. That's 1, 2. That's all. 2 full revolutions. You can use a crescent wrench or you can use a socket wrench, whatever you prefer. And then you set up your screwdriver. I have one here, mechanical screwdriver, that has been calibrated already to stop turning. As you can see, it stops turning at the appropriate point. If we over tighten the wrap, this glue binding will come apart and this bar will tear through and shred the wrap. We do not want the white part of the wrap to be torn or shredded. If this happens, you lose your investment because these are very well constructed and they're not suitable for over tightening. Over tightening means you don't get a refund too, so it's kind of a bummer. You lost out on your investment. Also, with the mechanical screwdriver, you can remove your wrap very easily. So it's highly encouraged that you make an investment in one of those rather than the double turning all of the time. That really slows things down. I got this screwdriver for $25 from Sears. The other thing that's important is grease. I have a mini grease gun here and it's loaded with high temperature grease, 500 degrees rating. That should do the trick. We're going to grease the threads on the wrap. They don't come greased, and this particular grease is green. It's good to get grease with color on it so you can see that you still have grease. Grease lasts about 10 impressions. A wrap lasts for about 300 impressions. How can you tell if you have not greased a wrap properly? Well, the screw will seize in this block. As it gets hot and cools back down, it will seize in the block, and that's a non-refundable event as well. So what you want to do is simply ease the threads down into the block, get them nice and lubricated, and you're safe. Now, look for the proper kind of wear on a wrap is on the inside of the wrap, the red part. If the red part begins to crack and peel, that means it's used up. But if the white part gets stressed, then you've misused your product, and that's not a good result for either one of us. So there you have it. If you were to get into the use of die wraps, you would need a mechanical screwdriver with a clutch and some grease, and the thing's going to serve you well.